Okay, so today we're going to be unboxing the Google Pixel 10a. This was released in March 2026, just a few months ago. And we're also going to go ahead and unbox the Google Pixel Buds 2a. We did get these two on a deal. So yeah, let's start with the phone first, the main character of this video, the Google Pixel 10a. So let's see what I think. Whoa, okay. Tab is off. And we both are going to see what this looks like together. So, oh wow. Okay, let's take the box. We have this nice paper over it, but we want to get this out. Ooh. Whoa, very nice, very clean. I mean, it's brand new, so it's as expected. The back has a nice, like, kind of a matte feel to it. Cameras are nice, embedded in the phone. This is what it looks like. Not heavy, not too heavy actually, when I compare it to the phone I use every day. So there, we've had this sitting for a couple of months, just waiting to unbox it. So we finally opened it up. And yeah, I actually can't wait to see how the camera works on this. I know Google Pixel cameras are normally really great, so I'm excited to see how the pictures come out here. The color is very pretty. It's very nice matted white color. It's not too bright. It goes well with the Google Pixel.
I think it's supposed to be green. I think it has like a covering over it.
Oh, okay. Should I take it off?
Yes.
Okay, let's try to take it off. I don't think it's a sticker.
Oh, it feels like a plastic.
Like a thick covering?
Something. Hold on. No way. This is the... So the back is plastic, so there's nothing...
It's like, it kind of feels like matte, if that makes sense. I don't know how to explain it, but...
Yeah, but it's plastic. I'm surprised they use that kind of material because it feels like very cheap plastic.
I like it though.
I mean, it looks nice.
Mm-hmm. It looks pretty.
It feels nice and smooth.
I mean, most people are going to put a phone cover over this anyways, just because to avoid it breaking on the first fall. So it's nice, simple, you know, very simple.
You could hold up your iPhone next to it just to give a comparison.
It's a little dirty, but...
Okay, well here, I have the Pixel 10 Pro. Now
oh wow, this is pretty too.
Okay, which one do you prefer?
I prefer this. I prefer bigger phones.
Okay,
so.
now how does the back feel on this one?
More sturdy.
Let me see.
Yeah, kind of the same.
You know what? This feels the same.
The thing is, this phone is heavier, so you probably think it's different, but.
And the Google logo here, it's like faded out. I'm not sure why they would even want to do that.
Yeah, look at the difference.
It would have been cool if this was illuminated, like if it lit up, like a bright white.
Yeah.
I have no idea why they made it this way. So it's like a frosted shower glass. That's what it looks like. So what do you think about the material? Do they feel the same?
This one feels smoother. Just feel it. Okay, you hear that? You hear it? And now do this. You don't hear that sheen like that.
Oh, this one's more smoother.
Yeah. This one doesn't make any noise. See the difference?
Here. Yeah. And well, the cool thing about this one is that the camera is flush. So this has a big camera hump.
Yes.
But I really don't mind. You know, like you said, we do use a case.
Yeah.
And
so this is for.
That's the thin-bore case.
For this.
Right. And in terms of quality-wise, you notice
we really don't know because I haven't used it to see like speeds and stuff like that.
Well, in terms of the physical
appearance
aspect.
Oh,
yeah.
I definitely choose this one.
Okay, and how does this one feel? Like
it feels lighter. It feels like, you know how you have an iPhone and then you have an iPhone Pro.
Yeah.
So this feels like the Pro, and this feels like kind of like the regular version.
Okay. So it definitely feels lighter. And as for the sides, does it feel the same as this one?
Let's see. Oh no, this one is like, what is it? Shiny metal. This one is more like frosted matte. See?
Like plastic.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one feels more sturdy.
Okay. You can go ahead and just turn it on, see if it turns on.
Let's see what else we got. Charger. Well, this is a good feature because we no longer get chargers with iPhones. This is a USB Type-C charger. Let's see if anything else came.
No, that's a cable, Rachel.
A charging cable, you know what I mean. That's it. Of course, we got a little user guide, user manual, support book. And that's about it.
And you also get a SIM card eject tool in the box. You can leave the paperwork. I'll take that.
We did get a SIM card eject tool. Where is it?
It's in that cardboard.
Oh, okay, cool.
Flip it to the back.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I didn't realize. I would have thrown this away, to be honest. I would have never realized that.
Okay, so it looks like it does have a SIM card slot. So it's right over here.
Yeah, I saw that. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's unbox the headphones in the meantime.
So same thing for this. Again, this is the Google Pixel Buds 2a. And we just are going to pull this. Bam. See that it's pulled. Pull these bad boys out. Oh wow, this feels nice. So this is what it looked like. We're gonna go ahead and rip this off. Oh, this is pretty unique. Nice shape. Ah, very nice. Interesting.
That's pretty cool.
Okay.
Okay, it looks good. Like it fits flush. How do they feel?
They feel great.
Better than the AirPods?
Yeah.
Really?
They feel more like in your ear kind of thing.
Okay, so you're using the regular AirPods, AirPods 4. Okay.
You know what? And it's when I had it in my ear, I could barely hear you when you were talking. So, are these noise cancellation?
That's a good question. I'm not sure. I don't think so. I think the Pros should be noise canceling.
How much were these?
These are over $100 right now.
For this?
Yeah.
Wow.
But it came from, it was free with the Pixel 10a. Yeah.
They do come with markings. So left, this one has an L, letting you know that it's for your left ear. And this one has an R, letting you know it's for your right ear. And they kind of have like a grip once you put them back in here. Bam. I really like this as well. I mean, I'm not I guess like for me, I'm not big on tech, so I'm fascinated by the smallest things, like the simple things fascinates me when it comes down to this. So, I mean, this is something if I wanted a new pair of earbuds and they were like $100, you said, I'd buy it. If I had the Google Pixel phone and I wanted earbuds and these were like anywhere from like 100 to 120, that's on budget with what I would spend, I would buy these. So yeah, pretty cool, pretty good. Feels sturdy. This doesn't have, like, this doesn't open easily either, so that it won't come out and fall out, and it has a grip there. So yeah, goes well with the phone. So yeah, guys, this is the earbuds, and this is the Google Pixel 10a that we unboxed today. My name is Rachel. This is Alter Tech's channel, and I do hope you guys enjoy my very first unboxing video. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you do have the Google Pixel 10a, what you think of it, or if you plan on getting the Google Pixel 10a, yeah, let me know. But yeah, for now, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And again, any questions, let me know and subscribe.